Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught Cadillac, and I've got a pretty interesting vehicle here to show you guys. It's our certified pre-owned 2016 Toyota 4Runner. What a beautiful SUV, guys. If you're looking for a big, beefy SUV to perhaps go to the cabin for the weekend or even drive around in the winter, this is a great choice. Really reliable 4-liter V6 engine under the hood, and that's going to be paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission. So probably not the best on fuel economy, but you're still going to be getting plenty of power out of that engine, and it's going to run forever. Now, a few features on the front end include your bug deflector, which is Toyota branded. You've got the forward-facing parking sensors and fog lights. You've also got dual 4-inch light bars right behind the grille, so pretty good for hitting the trails at night. Now, we did stick some Duratrack off-road tires on here, brand new tires. Look at the tread left on those. So 20-inch aluminum wheels are also going to be included on here. Now, the color of this vehicle is Blizzard Pearl, really nice white paint coat. You do have the side steps down there, chrome door handles, and then you've got the roof rails. On the back end, you do have the trailer hitch, so this thing's ready to go if you need to haul a small boat or something like that. Now we're going to pop open the trunk and take a good look at all the space you have back here. You've got the Toyota branded all-weather mats down here, so you're going to keep your carpet nice and clean. JBL subwoofer in the back, as well as some connectivity options back here if you need to plug something in while you're at the campsite or wherever it may be. Now moving around the other side here, absolutely incredible. You do have remote start on this vehicle. Now, at a first glance at the interior, beautiful redwood leather interior. I haven't really seen this interior before on Toyota vehicles. Really nice. You've got the power adjustable controls with your lumbar support, and of course you've got the 4Runner all-weather mats. Now, behind your steering wheel, you are going to find your power adjustable side view mirrors, brightness switch, your parking sensors. You've got access here to turn on and off your power volt plugs. Now, over here on the driver's door panel, you've got the one touch-down windows, driver's memory seat settings, and overall, let's hop on inside and show you what else this vehicle has to offer. So inside the Toyota 4Runner, let's go over some of the main selling features that you need to know about this vehicle. Starting off over here on the front dash, you've got just over 31,000 kilometers as of this video, so there is going to be factory warranty remaining, as well as our certified warranty. On the left-hand side, you've got the controls, which are going to configure that center digital display on the dash there if you want to scroll through some of your vehicle info. You've also got your volume buttons, your hands-free calling buttons. Now let's take a look at your infotainment system here. A few of the options you've got include Sirius XM radio, which is going to come standard for 3 months. You've got Bluetooth audio pairing, USB auxiliary, and a CD player. So pretty nice and easy to use. You also have navigation built into this system, so that's really nice. Now, you do have a digital clock located separately on its own little screen. And down below here, you are going to find your dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated and cooled seats, which you can control exactly what temperature you want them to be at. Now, you do have that USB and aux port, as I was talking about, and another DC 12-volt outlet. Now, the cool thing about this 4Runner here is your 4x4 controls. You've obviously got your 4-wheel drive low, you've got your 4 high, but you've also got your locking 4-wheel drive. So in case you're really hitting some trails or you're stuck in mud, you're definitely going to appreciate having those options. Now, when you put your 4Runner into reverse, it's going to activate your backup camera. And of course, this is going to work with those parking sensors that you've got located on the rear and front bumpers. You do have the manual shifting mode, as well as access to open up your rear window. As we head on up here towards the ceiling, you are going to find your hill descent assist, some of your all-wheel drive options, and traction control, which I find a bit of an odd place to put it up on the ceiling, but nonetheless, you've still got the options there. You've got the garage door transmitters and your slide and tilt sunroof. Now taking a look into the back seat, the second row has plenty of legroom for 3 more passengers, and then there is the 2 more seats in that third row, which I showed you earlier. The seats were folded down, but you've got access for 7 passengers in total if you need. Once again, all-weather mats, nice redwood leather interior, and of course you've got the armrest there with your cup holders. Now you do have 2 power outlets back here if you need to plug in your phones, your iPad, or whatever you've got. And all in all, quite spacious on the interior of your 4Runner. So overall, if you're looking for a great, reliable SUV, Toyota 4Runner is a great option. You've got just over 31,000 kilometers, factory warranty, and our certified pre-owned warranty. So if you're interested in this vehicle or any of our other used vehicles, feel free to contact us at McNaught, and we'd be happy to help you out.